Hey everyone, Zain here, and today we are going to compare between FlutterFlow versus Bubble.io. And I'll tell you in this video which one is best for you and your project. Now you need to know that with Bubble.io, you will not have to use any codes. While with FlutterFlow, there is a little bit of code that you may need to use, so it is not a complete no-code platform. So that's immediately an important distinction to make. If you do not want to code or didn't deal with any type of codes before and you have never done it and you don't even want to learn it, then FlutterFlow is not for you, because even though it is a pretty easy to use, there is still a little bit of coding. Because even though it's pretty easy to use, there is still a little bit of coding that you need to do. And with Bubble.io, you don't have to code at all. So if you do not want to code, go with Bubble.io now. Now, I don't want you to misunderstand me, because with FlutterFlow, there is a very little coding involved, but it will allow you easily to create your own mobile app. You can also see in the FlutterFlow pricing, if you want to actually publish your mobile app, then you will need to get the Pro $70 per month subscription, because here you will get the deployment to Apple and Google App Store. Now, to actually build the app, then you can probably do that completely for free, because in the free plan, you will be able to build your app and actually test it as well. But if you want to also download the code of your app, then you will need to go to the standard $30 per month subscription. Now you can download it, but to actually launch it, you will need to go to the Pro plan. Now, comparing this to Bubble's pricing, you can see with Bubble.io, they also have a free plan, which is best for learning how to use Bubble, which isn't that difficult, and you will get one app editor. Then the starter plan is best for launching your app, which is $29 per month if you pay annually, and if you pay monthly only, it will cost you $32. So in this plan, you already get a live app, so that is $32 per month compared to FlutterFlow, which will cost you $70 per month. And that's all for publishing your app. Then if you want to have more apps, you will need to upgrade to either Groove Team or even Enterprise. And there you will be able to get more apps, more workload unit, more days of server locks, etc. So Bubble.io is cheaper if you simply want to launch your app. It will be less than half the price of FlutterFlow. Now with Bubble, you can also create mobile apps. So Bubble is a full stack, no code app builder. Now Bubble also allows you to build web apps. So on top of mobile apps, you can also build web apps using Bubble. Now that is something that you cannot do actually in FlutterFlow. So if you would like to build web apps, then definitely go with Bubble. But be careful. At this moment, Bubble.io doesn't yet allow you to build complete or full mobile apps. But if you want to build native mobile apps and not web apps, then you can go join their waitlist, because they are working on it and it will be released in the future. And maybe when you are watching this video now, it will be released. So simply go to Bubble.io mobile if you want to join the waitlist for that. So this comparison becomes very simple. If you want to build a mobile app, go with FlutterFlow. If you want to build a web app, go with Bubble. In my opinion, Bubble is better because it is a lot cheaper and you don't have to use any code compared to FlutterFlow, where you have to use a little bit of code. And for launching your app, it's twice as expensive now. With both of these tools, you can definitely create beautiful and very functional apps, and they both will work for you. But it kind of comes down to what you are looking to build now. Again, if you want to get started with Bubble.io, I will leave all the links of Bubble.io and FlutterFlow down below in the description. If you are even good with coding, you can simply try both of them and see which one of them is better for you. And let me know down below in the comments which one will you choose. And that's all for today's comparison. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.